Tuesday evening, 8:45. Blue station light, yellow warning line. Across the rails I noticed you, and every face just faded from view. You stood beneath the eastbound sign, your destination opposed to mine. I tried to catch your wandering eyes, then silver doors came sliding by. Girl, across the platform there you are. I've been waiting all my life just for you. You were going east that evening, out of sight. I was standing on the other side, all alone. Next Tuesday, 8:45, I took my place beside the line. I told myself you wouldn't show, then there you stood across the road. You looked at me, or so it seemed, a quiet smile